My name is Hannah Faye. I am in marketing part of LGCAI. So we have our local coffee shop in the lobby, and I usually get breakfast here. They have good pastries, so I'm gonna go ahead and order that. Could I get one of the flavored Danish? 저희 오피스는 12층. So on the 12th floor, we have two offices. One is 1225 and 1200. So this is where I work in, but during the day, after lunch or before lunch, usually after lunch, I come by this office and I'll show you how this place looks a little different. So there's a grading area, our LG Chem. We have this conference room. We usually take a lot of information session in this room. So this is my desk. It's very messy. I have a lot of things going on, and they're all very necessary. I have another meeting with Sales 3 team. So I'm gonna head over to the conference room. Most of the inquiries that I send are followed up by emails, but we definitely have a look at it together in these meetings and see what has caused it and what we can improve on. And if there's any similar cases like this, we also dig into that together. Hello, Dylan. How are you?
Hello, Hannah. I'm good. How are you?
Good. Do you mind briefly introducing yourself?
Yeah, sure. So, my name is Dylan Duval, based in Atlanta, Georgia. I work with LG Chem for 3 years, and I'm working with the Acrylic and SAP division. And today we have a meeting regarding IPA, market analysis for 2023, and specifically with the semiconductor industry.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. They gave us a semiconductor report just now. Dongwon, I will forward it to you because you weren't on it. And basically, I will send this to HQ and Juna because it literally just came through, so I haven't had a chance to go through the PDF.
I just reunited with Helen. Hi. We're gonna walk. We're gonna go across the street to pick up our lunch. And then my lunch is at Chipotle, which is literally right across over there. 저희가 픽업해온 치폴레, aka my favorite food. Thank you. I came into one of the conference rooms because I have a WebEx meeting. Let me get that set up real quick. So this is our bi-weekly meeting with HQ's DX team. We also have the Europe office, CEG's marketing part joining as well. For the past year, we've successfully launched LG Chem On, which is a CRM platform that's run through Salesforce. So CRM LG Chem On lets us communicate with customers, lets the customer also collaborate with us. They can directly send us any kind of requests such as orders, spec-ins, samples, CNC, and then also we can track their delivery and fulfillment statuses. A lot of things are systematically integrated, so we can definitely look into our history with this customer. We can have access to their contact information. It's a very helpful, very resourceful platform. And for me, I am the part of AI's admin. Basically, if there are any general inquiries coming from internal users or from customers, I am the first person to respond to that. If it's something that I cannot provide assistance with, then I usually contact HQs and the DX team will give me guidelines to how to help. 유저로 들어가라는 말씀이시죠? 네, 알겠습니다. 저희 오늘 워크샵 있는데 기대되시나요?
모든 세일즈들이 다 온다 그래서
네, 대리님의 파트너는 누구였죠?
저는 딜런이랑 정현우 기장팀
engineering team, and it was designed for the Ohio Textile that we're going to build.
And then talking about the outlook and current situation with the ocean freight market and with domestic warehousing here in the U.S.
Our second vital few is successful launching of COP. So as Randy mentioned, we have our ABS plant launching this year, so a huge focus for our team this year would be getting all our customers to
get new things get changed each year, such as team, new plan, or a new division.
I'm gonna leave now. So dark already. Alright, I'm gonna head home. Thank you for watching. Bye.